We start tonight with the long-delayed trial in a fatal DUI case.
The first full day of testimony wraps up, revealing more information on the state of the defendant at the time of the accident. It's continuing coverage tonight. Jackie Roberts in the courtroom all day today. She joins us from the newsroom now with the latest on this story. A busy day in court, Jackie.
Yes, Jill and Sean, a very busy day in court. And both sides in this case understand that there was a crash on Route 99 in McCain Township. They know that one person died and that Cheryl Frey was drunk. But what's up for a jury to decide is whether or not the defendant was solely responsible for the accident.
7 postponed sentencings and 1 withdrawn guilty plea later. Cheryl Frey sits through the first full day of testimony. She's charged with homicide by DUI, accused in causing the crash that killed 57-year-old Wade Schultze in February of 2017. The district attorney's office admits all 3 drivers involved in the accident were legally drunk that night, but they say only one is responsible for the crash. Testimony confirms Frey's blood alcohol content was nearly 3 times the legal limit, at 0.232%. Prosecutors brought in several witnesses to speak to the evidence at the scene and data collected afterwards, including a toxicologist who said Frey had up to 5 substances in her system at the time of the crash, one similar to Valium. But Frey's attorney says there's more to the story. He's making the case that she wasn't the sole cause of the accident, and the other drivers may have played a role as well. The defense confirming Frey was on only a therapeutic dose of the drugs and had built up a tolerance. Questions came about when the prosecution called the 3rd driver involved in the accident to the stand. He was also under the influence at the time, but his original statement to police indicates Schultze's vehicle may have been at fault as well. Reading to the jury, quote, "A light-colored car was across both lanes of the road. I could not avoid the vehicle and struck it."
Both attorneys spent several minutes analyzing that statement, but the driver himself admits he doesn't remember making a lot of it because he was also drunk at the time, and there are also parts throughout that statement that he contradicts himself. But I'm sure we'll learn more about what was involved in that and more about this case as the trial continues. Testimony is expected to pick up again tomorrow morning.
It will certainly be interesting where this case goes. Jackie, thank you.